In this video, we will explore how to write LaTeX documents using languages other than the default English. To demonstrate this, we will focus on writing in Urdu. To begin, we will first start the TeX compiler, in this case TeXstudio. Here is the TeXstudio interface. We will start by creating a new document. It is recommended to use the document wizard to generate a new document, as it helps in writing the preamble to a certain extent. The document class we will select is article. There are many other document classes available, but we will proceed with article. Font type, size, and other settings can be left as default. Click OK to proceed. This will automatically generate the basic preamble. As you can see, the document class is article, the paper size is A4, and the font size is set to 10 point. By default, it has included one package. To write in Urdu, we will need to include a few additional packages. We will use the fontspec package first. Next, we will add the polyglossia package. These packages may not be pre-installed on your system, so you might need to install them manually. To do this, open the MikTeX in administrator mode and download these two packages. Switch to administrator mode and go to the package manager. Inside the package manager, search for fontspec. If it is not installed, you can install it by right-clicking and selecting Install Package, or simply clicking the plus icon. Once installed, it will appear in the installed package list. Next, search for polyglossia and install it the same way. These packages are lightweight and install quickly. Now that both packages are installed, we can close the MikTeX. Next, we will set the main and secondary languages in our LaTeX document. To do this, we use the /set main language and /set other language commands. We will set the main language to Urdu and the other language to English, as our document will be bilingual. The next important step is selecting the appropriate font family for Urdu text. To do this, we use the /new font family command. This is crucial for proper rendering. The font name must be specified exactly. We will use the widely known Jamil Nouri Nastaliq font. Sometimes the font style is written as Jamil Nouri Nastaliq Regular. If this font is not installed on your system, you can easily download it from Google by searching for Jamil Nouri Nastaliq Regular. Once downloaded, double-click the font file and install it. If it is already installed, the system will ask if you want to replace it. Once installed, you may need to locate the font manually in your system directory. Go to the C drive Windows, Fonts, and search for the font to confirm the exact name. It is important to use the correct path and spelling in your LaTeX file, otherwise the compiler wouldn't find the font. Additionally, specify the script as Arabic using script equal Arabic in the font setup. Everything before /begin document is considered part of the preamble. Once our preamble is complete, we can begin writing the actual content. To start the document body, we use /begin document and end it with /end document. Any Urdu text we write will go between these two commands. At this point, I assume you are familiar with how to use LaTeX to write and compile documents. You can now write Urdu text, for example, by switching your system's keyboard to Urdu and typing directly. Alternatively, you can copy and paste text in Urdu from elsewhere. Once you have added the text, it is time to compile the document. When using the fontspec package, the usual built-in view option may not work and might throw an error. Instead, go to Tools, Commands, and choose either XeLaTeX or LuaLaTeX. Before compiling, save your document. Saving it ensures that all supporting files will be created in the same folder. Once saved, you can run XeLaTeX. The compiler should run successfully and the message "process exited normally" will confirm that the document was built. You may need to manually open the output PDF file from the project folder. You will see the Urdu text rendered correctly. You can paste additional text as needed. Such as the national anthem or other sample content. Use formatting environments like /begin center for center text and /begin flush right for right aligned Urdu text. To compile the document again, make sure to close the output PDF file first, otherwise LaTeX wouldn't be able to overwrite it. Then go to Tools, Commands, and run XeLaTeX again. Once compiled, open the new PDF to see your formatted content. If you would like help generating Urdu text, you can use AI tools such as ChatGPT to write it for you. For instance, you can ask it to write a familiar poem by Allama Iqbal and copy the generated Urdu text into your document. Just make sure to use the proper font name like Jamil Noori Nastaliq regular and specify the Arabic script. It is a good practice to copy only the body content from AI tools, not the entire LaTeX environment, to avoid conflicts. After adding the content, compile the document using XeLaTeX. If the document fails to compile with a no PDF output error, it likely means the output PDF was already open. Close it and try again. Once compiled, you will see the output rendered beautifully in Urdu using the specified font. This approach makes writing in non-English languages like Urdu much more accessible. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to write in LaTeX using languages other than English, especially how to handle multilanguage content efficiently. Please note that compiling might occasionally fail due to system-specific issues like operating system updates or missing packages. Feel free to ask in the comments if you encounter any problems. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you.